Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be looking at the exercise we have on the screen. It looks a little bit simple. We're going to tackle it right away. Now we have some clues to work with. The very first clue is the distance below, then the height here, which is 97.70. Also have this clue and this clue. Likewise, we have this clue here, 40, to work with the radius. So first and foremost, we're going to dive in right away. We take our straight line, then we'll make an horizontal line. Okay, take it from here. It's the line of 70, perfectly horizontal. Enter. A geometric constraint. Want it horizontal. Geometric constraint, want it fixed. Fixed. Okay. Now dimensional constraint. Linear. Pick here and here. 70. Okay, we have 70. Now I take an order. I will draw these circles here. Radius 35 and diameter 40. So radius 35. Then another one. Press enter to repeat the last command. Then this one will be diameter 40, which is radius 20. Now dimensional constraint, radial. This is 35. Dimensional constraint diameter. This, enter. Okay, now we're going to use our geometric constraint concentric. So this and this should have their center at the same spot. So dimensional constraint linear. So from this edge to the center of the circle, from this edge the center of the circle is 20. Then from this edge to the top is equals to 97. Okay, so right now this circle, the center of the circle align with this edge here. And from it we take a line of 45 degrees 30. So that's what we're going to do. Take a circle of radius 20, radius 20, dimensional constraint radii 20. Then we want it to be a tangent with this geometric constraint tangent. This line and this to be a tangent. Dimensional constraint linear. Now the point here to the center of the circle should be 70. So let me clean up my screen a little. Hide all and hide all. Okay, so from the center of the circle at 45 degrees angle we have a line of 40. So I take this line, start from the center here. Now 90 plus 45 plus 19 give us 135. So here's going to be 40. Here's 135. Enter. Okay. So I can now copy this guy here. Copy this guy from the center to the edge here. Enter. Okay. This is now done. So we are left with this our outer circle of radius 150. Radius 150. So I take this, I draw a circle of radius 150, press enter. I will move it here. Okay. Now I'll draw a line to mark the center point of this. So press enter. Now if you look at it, it is not at exactly tangent. If a tangent is going to be here, it's not an exact tangent, it's just meeting at that point there. So for me to achieve that, I will trim this, and I will trim this, I'll trim this. Geometry constraint fixed. Geometry constraint fixed. Fix this line. Geometry constraint fix. I fix this one too. Geometry constraint fixed. Fix this guy too. So what else? Now I want this point here and this end here to be coincident. So geometry constraint coincident. Pick this here and this here. Good. So likewise I'll trim here too. Okay, now I want this end point and this to meet. So geometry constraint coincident. Geometry constraint coincident. So I'll pick this and this to meet together. So our shape is taking place and we are in a perfect position. Geometry constraint fixed. Geometry constraint fixed. Fix this. Okay. Now if you look at it, this is completed. So use our power trim tool. Take care of this. Oh, sorry. Take care of this. Take care of this. Take care of this. And delete this. Okay, I want to use my join tool right now. Sorry. I want to join them. Okay. Power trim tool. Power trim. Trim this. So I want this and this to join together. Okay, so I have one entity. Good. Now this entity now I can offset it by 10. Offset by 10. So set the offset distance 10. Sorry. 10. Enter. Then take my circle tool one more time. Then radius 35 one more time. So I use my power trim tool. Trim this and this and this and this. So I use my power trim tool. Take care of this. So now I have this. What else do I need to do? Geometric constraint, this GCF fixed. I don't want it to move. Okay, enter. Because I don't want this to move. So now if you look at it here, there's a curve here and there's a curve here. I might be tempted to think of fillet. If you use fillet is not going to work. It's be of radius 5, fillet is not going to work. Press R for the radius, then press 5. If you put a fillet, is not going to work on this. You see, it's not going to work. So I can't really tell you why he's not doing that. But what I know is there's always a way out. So we use our circle tool of radius 5. Dimensional constraint radar 5. Okay, press enter. So geometric constraint tangent, you pick this and this to be a tangent, repeat this and this to be a tangent. Okay, we can copy this from the center. Okay, and pick it here, doesn't matter, to this point. Alright, so geometric constraint tangent likewise. Pick this and I pick this, press enter. I pick this and I pick this. So what else do I need to do? Sorry, power trim. I power trim this and this, this and this, this and this. So but we have trace our circle around there. So I'll go one more time, pick our circle, put it here, press enter. So our shape is perfectly drawn. Now we can pick all of this together and join it to one single entity. You can see it's joined. This one is joined. We have this one, we have this one. Now the ends of joining this is going to help when we start working on 3D. For you to have a closed shape, all your shape needs to be joined together. Otherwise, it's going to be a kind of panel whereby you have an open box or you have panel drawing. So that's ends of the joining. We've not been doing that, but we'll be doing that subsequently because we're going to be revisiting all of these exercises and transform almost, if not all of them, to 3D. So thank you. Like and subscribe to our channel if you like what we are doing. We'd like to hear from you. Okay, see you in the next exercise.